StudyFetch is an AI-powered study tool designed to streamline the learning process by automatically converting uploaded materials such as lecture notes, textbooks, or slides into study aids, including flashcards, quizzes, summaries, and personalized study pathways. The platform positions itself as a productivity enhancer for students who need efficient ways to absorb and retain information, emphasizing automation, adaptive learning, and time-saving features. Users frequently praise its interface as clean and intuitive, highlighting that the AI-generated flashcards and summaries often accelerate revision and understanding, especially for subjects requiring memorization or repeated practice. Independent reviewers also recognize the app's capacity to handle large volumes of study content, providing a single environment for organizing notes and tracking progress, which reduces the fragmentation typical of using multiple tools. On the other hand, some users report occasional technical issues, such as upload failures, file loss, or inconsistencies in AI-generated content, indicating that accuracy may vary and verification by the student remains necessary. Premium features expand capabilities but can introduce additional complexity, requiring careful evaluation of cost versus benefit. Community discussion suggests that while StudyFetch can significantly enhance study efficiency, it should be used as a supplement to active learning techniques rather than a replacement for critical engagement with material. Verdict: StudyFetch provides a professional and reliable AI-assisted framework for organizing and reviewing study materials, offering strong value to disciplined learners who verify and engage with content actively. But it cannot replace comprehensive understanding or in-depth study.